Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make a mask out of the ingredient that I use to prepare my hairspray. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. You guys can see this bottle right here was actually the hairspray that I already make the video in my channel, so I just don't want it to waste the rest of this ingredient because they still have a lot of benefit. You know, a lot of time I do waste them because I just don't know what to do with them. So this time, and I was like, I'm gonna be preparing a hair mask out of it, and so that we don't waste all this, you know, all this ingredient. So I'm gonna be pouring this ingredient into my blender, and I'm gonna be adding a half avocado into it, and then I will be adding my aloe vera gel and coconut milk, and then I will be blending everything together. So in this hairspray that I already prepared, I have fenugreek seed inside, and I have a bay leaf, and I have also star anise. I think I also have rosemary inside. So these ingredients are very good when it comes to growing your hair, and they can really help to stimulate hair follicles, and they can also help to strengthen your hair and treat your scalp. So if you're having any thinning hair, or if you're having any dandruff, so these ingredients are really going to help you to prevent them. So here is my coconut milk. You can use any brand that you know that you like. It's also very fine. Coconut milk is also very good when it comes to shining your hair, and it's also going to moisturize your scalp the whole time because it has oil inside. So all these combination are very good for growing your natural hair. I added everything into the blender, and then I blended to a very smooth paste. Because I have star anise inside, so I really blend it very well. And then after that, I pour the mask into my socks, and I'm gonna be using a socks to take the mask out because I really don't want to have any chunks into my hair. So you really have to be careful to press the mask out because we really don't need any chunks into our hair, guys. As you guys can see, I have a lot of chunks here, so I really don't want that into my hair. Here is my mask. It's ready to use. So then I went ahead to add half cup of extra virgin oil. In this point, you can also add any oil of your choice, any oil that you know that is good for your hair. You can add it into it, and then the mask is ready to use. So here is my hair is already washed and clean, so now it's time to apply the mask into my hair. Guys, when I make this liquid for my hair, I was actually spraying the liquid for my hair for a week. Yes, I just braided my hair, and then I was spraying that hairspray into my hair, and the hairspray was really helping to strengthen my hair. My hair is very soft, guys. When it comes to thinning, my hair is really thin, so I do like to apply a lot of stuff that can really strengthen my hair and soften my hair at the same time. So yeah, this is my hair, and I applied the mask into my hair, so you can see and tell how soft my hair is. I did here, I tried to use my finger because I really don't want to comb my hair too much, so I'm just using a finger detangling, just to use my finger to detangle my hair. And then I went ahead to apply it on the other side. Guys, my hair is growing. This baby is growing. Like, you know, my hair is very coiled, and it's really 4C hair. It's a very stretchy hair, as you guys can see. But a lot of time, if I wash my hair, it looks like it's not growing at all. But I tried to check the length of 3 months ago in the end of my hair, so I did try to check the length from that video and check the length of this video in my hair. Guys, my hair is growing. Yes, my hair is growing back, and I'm just so excited. All these ingredients that we are putting into our hair, they really help our hair to grow. They are helping our hair to grow, just because the hair is really afro kinking, so we don't see the hair like that. But the hair is growing, to be honest. It's really growing. And yeah, if you really want to keep applying all this product into your hair, all this natural product into your hair, they are not a product that can really be speeding the process of your hair growth, but they can really work in terms of softening your hair and moisturizing your scalp the whole time. You just have to be consistent. Yeah, consistency is the key. Just be consistent. Apply all this mask into your hair at least 2 times in a month. It's really gonna help your hair to grow. This is it, guys. I'm done applying the mask into my hair, so I decided to just take the first one in front out for you guys to see how moisturized and coiling is giving me. You guys know avocado is very good. It can really help to moisturize your hair a lot. So this is my hair. This is the length of my hair. I will be showing you guys the video of my when I trim the end of my hair. So my hair length then and hair length now, you can see the improvements. The hair is really growing, and I'm so excited about that. And yeah, so this is it. You can cover your hair with any plastic bag of your choice. You can leave the mask on for 2 hours or 1 hour, depend of the time that you have. You can rinse it out. Yeah, I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye.